They are tremendous champions of change, tremendous role models for other companies that we hope to work with.
My name is Liz Pika-Pelker, and I'm the CEO of PrintFlex Graphics. We're located in St. Louis, Missouri, and we have 2 buildings on January Avenue. The first building is the one that we first started our company in 1995. And we had 3 employees and 1 press on order. And fortunately, we're lucky to find a customer that came with us. And so that's basically how we started the company. What we do is we print coupons and stickers and labels. It's called flexographic printing. A good way to describe it is if you go to the grocery store and you peel a coupon off a product and redeem it, you'll see them in the grocery store. We make those. We also make them in flat and folded and all types of varieties, flags, fluttering off products. And now we have a nationwide client base and about 35 employees. As our company grew, and it's very entrepreneurial, and we were just fast growing, and all of a sudden one of our customers said, "Oh, by the way, we're going to come do an audit of you." And we're like, "Oh, okay." So they came and did the audit, and we were like, "Oh my goodness, we need better processes," because we've been growing fast and we hadn't stopped to figure that out. At the same time, we met Missouri Enterprise. And one of the things Missouri Enterprise is good at is looking at the whole landscape of technology and helping you determine what maybe that best investment for you is.
I don't think PrintFlex ever saw themselves as different. I think they just recognized the fact that they didn't know how to overcome some of the obstacles, and so they chose to work with us. They put some trust in us initially, kind of blind faith, if you will, and then eventually just learned that, hey, we were there to help them out. We were going to do a good job for them, really go to bat for them. It's just grown from there. I think other companies in Missouri could look at PrintFlex as a great model for open communication, for utilization of the CAPA process to help improve that communication and sustain that communication. Just to create a caring environment, to have the right type of management where it is a family feel.
When our project manager, Dave Goebel, walks into our plant, everybody knows him.
It's much like going to see my friends. I don't feel like it's work when I go in there.
They know him, he's done training for him, he's been at quality meetings, he's been, working with them on standard work procedures or trying to organize work areas. And it's just like having another part of your company.
We're always working on something to make the company better, and it's an accumulation of small steps for improvement, but it's been over a long period of time, so we're starting to get some real traction there.
Since we started working with Missouri Enterprise, our company's grown, we've increased our employee count, we've started new business divisions, and we have invested over $3 million in new equipment. Without being able to have the backbone to absorb those increase in employees and the new equipment, without having some structure in your processes and backbone, that probably would not have happened nearly as smoothly for us as it did.
PrintFlex is a great model for other companies to see them as the champions of change, because they're very open, very family oriented in the sense that they care about their employees. They are not afraid to ask for help. And as a consultant, we don't want to be there just to be there. We want to be there when we're needed.
To have a resource that's focused on helping you become better at what you do as a small manufacturer, there just aren't very many of those, if any others, that I can think of besides Missouri Enterprise. We're really thankful and grateful to them for the help they provide us, and it's nice to know that you have somebody in the manufacturing world that's in your corner.